Hi, good morning, everybody. Thanks for watching this video at any point in time. I'm in my home here in the beautiful islands of the Bahamas, and my name is Robert Barry. And today, guys, what I want to do is show you a little bit as it relates to my power lead system, some progress, show you some leads, and basically show you that the leads that are coming into my power lead system are real people, and also give you a little insight on how I go about responding and treating and actually assisting persons in getting set up and partner with me so that they position themselves to earn an extra income, right? And so if you're out there and you're looking for a way to make an extra income online, I have something that is very powerful that you would be very interested in taking a look at, right? And so to be able to do that, you're going to click the link that's going to be at the very bottom of this video, right? And so I want to jump right into it. And so guys, basically I had someone partnered with me, and they actually went ahead and responded to one of the automated emails that my system goes out and send for me. And I'll show you guys proof of the system actually working on my behalf. But just before I get into that, I want to go over here excuse me, to Google real quick. Like I said, I'm in the Bahamas. I want to show you guys time in the Bahamas, right? So at the time of recording this video, it is 10:59 a.m. Saturday, November 21st. Wow, this year is actually going past pretty fast, right? So it's 10:59 a.m. here in the Bahamas. I don't know what time it is wherever you're at, where you're watching this video, but like I said, I'm from the Bahamas. It's 11 a.m. Saturday, beautiful day. I'm looking outside and it's very sunny, right? So like I said, guys, I want to show you guys the power of this system and what happens when you do the right things and you follow the blueprint, basically, when you follow the blueprint. And so I want to take you guys over here to my email inbox, right? I just want to read this email that Ralph Parado would have sent me a few hours ago, literally a few hours ago, right? And so he partnered with me. He is getting his system all set up. You know, I'm gonna reach out to him. Well, I actually just sent him an email, and I just want to read this to you guys, right? And so Parado is saying, this is Ralph Parado. I wanted to say hello and say thanks for showing my name in your video the other day. If you don't mind, I'm going to use part of your video as social proof that this system works and include the section where you show my name. So yes, I saw your video and loved the presentation. Right now, I am finishing up my own back-end marketing funnel so I can help other people use some strategies to get their own internet traffic to their affiliate links. I am curious, would you mind sharing with me what your first advertising steps were? And do you have the ad copy campaigns that you might be able to share with me that performed really well? I'm not going to read the entire email, guys, but I mainly wanted to show you guys is that if you are part of an online opportunity and you are following the right steps and you are treating your leads as real people, right? These persons will reach out to you, and it is incumbent upon you to do whatever is necessary to encourage, to assist in welcoming this person to your business opportunity and just laying the groundwork for them to have much success. I wish I had someone to hold me after failing many years of failure with other internet marketing companies. However, with this platform, I have numerous leaders, mentors within the Power Lead system. And so at this time, I want to take you guys over and show you that it is not only me that is having success leveraging this system, but there are other 6, 7 first-time marketers joining the Power Lead system and having much success, right? So I'm going to take you over to the Facebook group, right? And so right now we're in the Power Lead System Facebook group, right? And so let's see here. So we have S. Dean. He is welcoming a new PLS Gold member, and Dean has been crushing it. Big congrats to you, Dean Whitfield, right? Let's go down here. So we have Travis Alexander. He is showing opt-ins. As you can see, he made a $6 commission, and these $6 commissions are very, very powerful, right? So you see here, Travis Alexander, again, he's made a $20 commission. Gold member arrived, another $6 commission. Huge congrats to Travis. He is a vet. Here is Dean again. He made a $6 commission. PLS customer arrived, right? Here's Brian, another $6 commission. So you guys can see it is not me having success with this system. There are other persons having much success with the Power Lead system. And so now I want to show you guys some of my success, some of my opt-ins, etc. All right, so guys, we're in the back office, well, the back of my Gmail inbox, and I've been getting quite a bit of opt-ins over the last few hours, after the last few days. So you can see here, 10:16, I got an opt-in, 10:51, 9:33, 9:24, 9:14, and it goes on and on. Yesterday, November 28th, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leads. On 19th, another 2. On 18th, 1. So you guys can see I'm getting continuous opt-ins. This November 16th, and the list goes on and on and on and on, right? And so I want to take you to another Gmail inbox that I have. Here you can see gold member, gold member, gold member, $6 commission, $6 commissions, PLS customer, $6 commissions, right? And so guys, this is very doable. And what I love about this is I believe in my advertising strategies. And so when you partner with me, I give you my exact daily advertising strategies. And so like I said, if you're interested and you're out there and you're looking to make a few extra bucks, my website link is going to be at the very bottom of this video. And so my main thing is, guys, I wanted to just show you this email by Ralph Parado, and also to reiterate for guys that may be a part of maybe some other internet marketing company and may stumble across this video. Please treat your leads like real persons. Do what you must to assist them, right? And so I sent him an email, and I'm actually going to show you guys the email that I sent him, right? And so yes, I don't mind you using anything from me for your own content. I would suggest only to use mine until you are able to generate your own success, right? And the reason why I said this to him, you can use my success stories until you generate your own success. It is very hard for someone or a newbie coming into the marketplace and being able to have success with no leverage. So if he wants to go that route and leverage my story, that is no problem. But the minute he's have success, he needs to start to build his own brand. And that is what I am simply suggesting there to him. And so I gave him a list of strategies, a link where he can go and sign up for his free account to get traffic. This is where I first started when I started in this business, right? So, like I said, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If you partner with me, I give you my free advertising strategies, right? Once again, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please smash the subscribe button, click the bell so that you will be able to be notified whenever I post new and fresh content on a daily basis. So just before I leave, I want to show you guys the front office, the back office of my Power Lead system and what it looks like. So let's go on in. Right, so this is what the front door of the Power Lead system looks like. I will say this: if you decide to partner with me, one of the first things I always say to persons that are coming in, always go through this area here and go through this area here, right? This endless free leads will teach you how to generate leads using social media, right? And so you will be taught free strategies that you can implement on social media, mainly Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook, right? This is very powerful and up to the day. I am still going over these modules. Here, this training area will inform you on how to navigate through the Power Lead system back office. It will take you to past trainings. It will inform you of upcoming training and basically show you from A to Z on how to run your Power Lead system business. That's it for today, guys. Please stay tuned for another video shortly. Once again, my name is Robert Barry. Peace out.